How to turn off TanTan notifications on iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can turn off notifications for the TanTan application on your iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you use the TanTan app and for some reason you get lots of notifications which you don't want to receive, you have to just go ahead and then open up settings, yeah? And once you open up settings, you want to simply go to notifications, and when you go to notifications, from here you want to see notification style, where you'll most likely find the TanTan application over here. So you can try looking for TanTan, tap on it and turn off the toggle right next to TanTan. Now in case you don't find them over here, what you can try to do is you can simply go to this option under Siri known as Siri suggestions. So tap on it and then just turn off the toggle right next to TanTan. So you want to just go ahead and then look for the TanTan application. And once you go ahead and then look for TanTan over here, so let me go ahead and then do that. Look for TanTan and turn off the toggle next to TanTan, and you'd have successfully turned off notifications. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.